Briggs & Stratton Storm Responder 6250, 8,000 watts, 8,500 starting watts. Bought this sucker at the pawn shop for $100. Carburetor was bad, dirty, whatever you want to say, but I got it going and now it's mine and it works. Been welding with it for a couple of weeks now. I wanted to make a video of my setup and really welding with the little welder that I also bought at a pawn shop. The Chicago Electric 80 amps inverter stick welder. Got it for like $80 a long time ago. I finally started using it. If you want to do a video, you got your leads, positive, negative. They're only 10 feet, which I bought at a pawn shop extra because the other ones were real short, 6 feet. They came with it original. I just want to show real-time welds with this little lunchbox looking welder. I'm gonna finish up these little A-frame cuts that I got here. The trailer's not square, so y'all can make your comments. It don't really bother me because I'm gonna do it anyway. Just gonna finish welding out the bottom and refurbish this little trailer. So we'll see. Look at that, some 6011 and 7018 over that to fill it in. It was kind of bent and beat up there. I want to show y'all some real-time welds with this sucker. Before I buff it off, see how they come out. Buffed it off a little bit. Guess it looks pretty decent, but it does what it's got to do, bro. It works. Real-time weld. What I wanted to show you was those are things that I bought at a pawn shop. I wanted to show you a practical use of not just testing a weld out on a flat piece of metal or a strap. The generator, not sponsored by anybody, no sponsor, just a damn honest review. That was it. Hopefully you liked the video. The products are awesome. Like I said, I buy all my stuff at a pawn shop, mostly at a pawn shop.